Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Hootsuite for content calendar planning, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Hootsuite for content calendar planning, start by visiting the Hootsuite website. On the home page, locate the sign up button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password and confirm it in the designated field. Next, select the type of account you wish to create. Hootsuite typically offers options for individuals, teams, or businesses. After selecting your preferred account type, click Next to proceed. You may be asked to provide additional details, such as your name and company name. Fill in the required information accurately and click Next again. At this point, you may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Hootsuite. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Hootsuite website. Log in using the email and password you created earlier. After logging in, you will be guided through setting up your dashboard. Take a moment to configure your social media accounts. Connect the platforms you wish to manage through Hootsuite. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your accounts. Once your accounts are linked, navigate to the Content Calendar feature. Familiarize yourself with the calendar layout and tools available. Start brainstorming your content ideas and enter them into the calendar. Utilize features like scheduling and reminders to stay organized. Make sure to explore additional resources offered by Hootsuite for advanced planning. This will help you make the most of your content calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.